there, my name is Bruno Faven. So that's the last video for about the future journalists facing IA and how to use ChatGPT. This time we're gonna show. So you need a license or even something that working, and say okay, let's take this one. So we're gonna implement this time some example with Node. That's another way to leverage on. We see how to leverage on Python. We see how to leverage on Python with Streamlit in the previous video. And this time we will see how to use with Node. That's less spectacular. So we're going to get there. This is the project number 2. And same thing, I've used a file that I won't open, but it enables, I think I was about to show you this one. That's the extract keyword for this direct example. So let's take, I will show you the code that is exactly right here. You see, I've taken exactly the same example this time, and I've implemented this one. You can go both. So the only I've externalized in a file that name all value the API key, which is easier than to handle the license. Anyway, then you load the configuration, and then I print it out in the console the way it works. So let's do it. That's another way to connect, even if I would go rather for Python than to Node anyway. And you see, he's taken the, well, no, I think I've changed the text. Let's say we're gonna get another text. I think it was something on Brazilian, and so let's take a Brazil, and we will go and cut and paste some Wikipedia text. Let's do it in English. Okay, and then let's do it like this directly. And then you do like this. So you see, well, that's why I'm using Streamlit, because it's much more easier to change the text. But anyway, so this is a prompt, and we will see. I'll clear the console, and then he will do the job. You see, not terrific. I guess you can raise the temperature, maybe, and maybe let's raise the token. Yeah. Well, what is that? Extract keywords, that's right. That's why it's not working. Sorry. I was wondering what he was doing. So I will come back to the late configuration, and then don't forget to put inside extract keyword from this text, then he won't understand. That's the reason why I get these text. I'm gonna clear my console and relaunch the stuff. Yeah, that's much better. That's much better. Okay, yeah, that's keyword, and then it goes. And then if I think if I raise temperature in the token, we would say 50, and maybe it will take more. Yeah, it take more. Well, anyway, so you can tinker and use in a better place. So yeah, note that's a possibility, but I'd rather go for Python because it's much more. I find it much more easier, as you can leverage on several package, and especially in Streamlit or even Chainlight, which is the new. I didn't make any presentation, but that's a new framework. And well, I won't do a video on it that's a competitor for Streamlit. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. This is pretty basic and it goes with this article. And so, yeah, feel free to contact me or to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And then see you then. Bye-bye.